The idea here that we want to look at is dividing numbers. And division and multiplication are very similar. So as we approach these concepts as we continue throughout this course, we're going to refer to division or treat a division problem as a multiplication problem. Negative 15 divided by 3 is the same thing as saying negative 15 times the opposite of 3, or its multiplicative inverse in this case, which is 1/3. And then negative 15 times 1/3 produces a negative 5. Negative 20 over negative 4. Since it's written in a vertical format, it's a little hard to identify what's going on. So maybe one thing you can do is write it out horizontally. Negative 20 divided by a negative 4. And since division is really multiplying by its inverse, I'm going to multiply it by a negative 1/4. So instead of a division problem, in my mind, I'm starting to look at it as a multiplication problem. So negative 20 times a negative 1/4 produces a positive 5. Now I understand that a lot of you can look at these and say, well, I know what it is. I don't have to convert it to a multiplication problem. That's true. But as we continue on throughout this course, as we look at some more complicated problems or ideas, to understand those a little easier may be better done if we understand them through a multiplication process rather than a division process.